Wherever we go, there's a camera rolling. Travel vlogs for every trip, personal brands built in real time, to festival recaps. But at this point, editing pro-quality video on your phone is still somehow an enormous pain. There are plenty of consumer apps out there, but they're cluttered, gimmicky, and imprecise. Their templates box in your creativity, or they hide features behind paywalls, then distract you with upsells. Well, that's all about to change. Meet Adobe Premiere on mobile. It's fast, free, and uncluttered. There are no distracting paywalls, no pop-ups, just on-the-go pro video editing. You only pay when you need more storage or generative AI credits. With a multi-track timeline built for on-the-move editing, you can mix, stack, and fine-tune your footage in 4K HDR with precision and control. Remove background noise from a voiceover recording and enhance speech in a single tap with AI. And with Adobe Firefly Generative AI, you can make any video all your own, right from your phone. Premiere features a fun and revolutionary new way to create sound effects with text and voice to sound effects.
Vroom, vroom.
Simply describe the sound and act it out in your phone's mic, and Firefly will add perfectly synced cinematic sound effects exactly where you need it. And with image to video, you can transform images into videos to fill timeline gaps or add a little extra to your edit with stunning visual effects. Or start with a massive library of high-quality images, sounds, music, fonts, and videos from Adobe. It's fun, fast, and always commercially safe. And when you need a little more muscle, Premiere lets you move projects from mobile to desktop for a fast professional polish. Premiere is launching on iPhone this fall, with Android to follow. It's free. Pre-order in the App Store to get access as soon as it's released.